Today I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Google Sheets. If you've accidentally deleted an important spreadsheet, don't worry, Google makes it easy to restore files from the trash. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Workspace, open your browser, and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the same account where the deleted Google Sheet was originally stored, as this is crucial for finding your file. After logging in, you'll land on the Workspace dashboard. Look towards the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on these lines to open the navigation menu. From the options that appear, select Google Drive. This will take you directly to your Google Drive interface where all your files are stored and managed. Now, Google Drive will open in a new tab. Give it a moment to fully load all your files and folders. Once everything has loaded, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a vertical menu with several options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and others. Scroll down this menu until you find the option labeled Trash. Click on Trash to open it. This is where all your recently deleted files are temporarily stored before they're permanently removed from your account. Inside the trash folder, you'll see a list of all the files and folders you've deleted. Take your time to browse through and locate the specific Google Sheet you want to recover. You can use the search function if you remember the file name, or simply scroll through the list. Once you've found the Google Sheet you're looking for, click on the three dots that appear beside it. These three dots represent the More Options menu for that particular file. A small menu will pop up with several actions you can take. From this menu, click on Restore. This action will immediately move your Google Sheet out of the trash and back to its original location in your Google Drive. If the original folder no longer exists, the file will be restored to the root of your My Drive folder. And that's it. Your deleted Google Sheet has been successfully recovered and is now back in your Google Drive, ready for you to access and edit again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.